Okay, hi. So today we will discuss about this. This one is about chapter 3 about the word problems that I said before. Actually, in chapter 3 we don't have any word problems, but we will discuss about chapter 5, which is still talk about chapter 3. So we will talk about chapter 5 in chapter 3. Okay, this one is the word problems. Okay, so now this one you can see the resources. You can see the textbook from page 87, 88, 89, 91, and 98. Okay, and then this one the workbook also you can see from from page 63 until 65. Okay, this one. So in this one, share two cakes equally among three children. Okay, which one that you will share it? It means the cakes, right? And then this one to the three children. So what fraction of the cake will each child get? So because this one you have two, right? This one is two cakes, and then you will divide by three. Share equally. That one is the clue. It means you will divide by three. So of course, 2 divided by 3, you will get 2 over 3. Remember ya, then the number that you mention first will be the numerator, which is will be in front. Okay, sorry, which is the in front one will be on the top. So it means 2 divided by 3, it will be same like 3 over 2. Okay, this one will be same like 2 divided by 3. Okay, so it means each child will get 2 over 3 of a cake. Why this one become a fraction? Because the question asks to the fraction. Okay, so now this. Ellie had 2 1 over 5 cakes. Frida had 1 over 2 cakes. How many cakes did they have all together? All together, it means this one is the clue. It means you have to add it all of them, right? It means the question asks about the total. Because they asked about the total, of course, you have plus 2 mixed numbers, right? 2 of mixed numbers here. So you will add it. So like usual, it means the whole number first, 2 plus 1 become 3. And then the fraction, you will only copy it, right? Now look at here. The fraction, this one, the denominator are not same. So to make it same, we have to find the multiples or of 5 and 2, or you have to find the LCM. For this case, you can times each other. It means the first fraction you can times 2 because this one is 2. And then the second one you can times 5, right? Because this one is 5. Sorry, because this one is 2. So it means 1 times 2 become 2, 5 times 2 becomes 10, and then this one 1 times 5 become 5, 2 times 5 become 10. Because the denominator already same, so you only add the top one. 2 plus 5 becomes 7. So it means the answer will be 3, 7 over 10. Okay, this one is about the cakes altogether. Okay, now how about this? Melissa had 3 over 4 pizzas. She gave away 1 over 8 pizzas. How many pizzas did Melissa have left? Gave away, and then the question asks left. Of course, you have to minus it, right? So this case will be same like before, right? Well, this one is addition. This case is a subtraction, right? Because this question asks about how many left, right? So when you minus, of course, the whole number first, 2 minus 1 become 1. And then look at this one is the denominator are not same. So because 4 can goes to 8, of course, 4 you will divide times 2, right? So 3 times 2 become 6 here, and then 4 times 2 become 8. This one you only copy, right? Because 8. This one, the denominator are the same, so you only minus the top one, the numerator. So 6 minus 1 become 5. This one is the answer, okay? Okay, now how about this? Sheena poured 6 liter of water equally into 4 bottles. How much water was there in each bottle? So it means this one you have 6 liter, and then you have to pour equally to 4 bottles. So it means 6 divided by 4, right? So this one have 4 units, but this one the total is 6 liter. So of course this one will be 6 divided by 4, right? Why this one become 1, 2 over 4? Because 6 divided by 4, 6 will be inside the cage right here. So it means this one will be 6 divided by 4, you get 4, you get 1. 1 will be the whole number, 2 as the remainder will be the numerator, right? And then 4 will be same because this one, the divisor is 4. Because this one, 2 over 4, you can simplify divide by 2, you will divide by 2, right? So 1, 2 over 4, you will simplify become 1, 1 over 2. Remember ya, when you simplify the mixed number, the whole number will be stay. Okay, you only simplify the fraction. Okay, this one. Kathy used 3/3 kilogram of flour to make muffins. She used 1/4 kilogram less flour than Diana. How much flour did Diana use? So from the model, this one, because this one have Kathy use blah 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 less than Diana. Of course, Kathy will have the bar will be shorter than Diana, right? So it will be like this. So this one Diana have 3/8, this one. And then this one, the clue is 1/4 kilogram less flour than Diana. It means this one, right? The rest one. But the question is about the Diana, it means you only have to plus, right? So you will plus this one become 3/8 plus 1/4. So we'll use the process, okay? But this one is the answer already 5/8. This one you have to write the answer, yeah. This one only I show you the final answer. Okay, now this one. Sean cut a pole of 3 shorter poles. The first pole was 1/5 meter long, and the second was 1/10 meter long. The third long as the first and the second pole put together. Point A. How long was the third pole? The third pole, that means you have to plus the first and second, right? The first and second, you will plus it. So you will plus like usual, right? Remember, you have to show the working. This one only, I will only show the answer here. And then point B, how long was the original pole? Because we already have this one is the first pole, this one is the second pole, and then the third pole we already find in point A. So we only have to plus all of them, right? So we will plus all of them. So this one is the answer. Okay, this one is about the word problem. Now, the word problems is related with your project. Okay, I will explain you about the project here. Okay, the project here. The material and the topic from chapter 3, which is about fraction and division. Well, I take it from lesson 2 and lesson 3. It means addition and subtraction of mixed number. The goal, you can use the model to solve multi-step. It means you have to use the model later, okay? Okay, this one, how to do it, miss? Okay, the first one you have to use pen. Pencil are not allowed, okay? And then you can choose which layout. You want to choose landscape or portrait. I will show it to you later, the examples. And then there are 3 questions about the solving word problems, but you only need to choose one, okay? You choose one question only as your project. So if there are 3 questions, you only need choose one question, okay? And then after that, you are allowed to decorate your final project, but you have to make sure that your decoration is not too much and proper, okay? And then you have to make it proper. Okay, here, your final project consists of one question, bar model. Bar model, it means also include labels, question mark, okay? And then picture related to the discussion as visualize your question. And then process, of course, the description also included, okay? And then closing statement with the correct unit. Okay, this one, how to submit? You have 2 kinds of submission. The first one is online submission, okay? You have to take a picture and then upload it in our Google Classroom before 22 September, okay, at 2 p.m. You have to make sure that your handwriting are readable, and then your picture are clear. It means not too dark, not too bright, okay, and then not blur. And then you have to take a picture from top position, okay. And then the offline submission, you have to submit the final project on 14 October during the next distributed material day. Okay. Okay, this one the scoring. You can see the scoring later, yeah. It means the final product, it means this one is the decoration and handwriting. I will take it 20% from all of the scores. And then the mathematics skill, I will take 80% from all of the scores. You can see the scoring by yourself, yeah. Okay, this one, final product, you can choose which one that you want to choose, okay, landscape or portrait. If landscape, it means you will use like this. Okay, this one is the landscape. So it means the title, of course, you have to use the title word problems of whole number, or you can use word problems only is okay. This one is the question, okay. You can put it directly on the buffalo paper. And then this one is the bar model. You can use the small color paper actually because you have one buffalo and then two under three small paper, right? Okay, this one. Don't forget ya your name, your class as your identity. And this one, your process, it means, oh here, the bar model, with complete label and also the question mark. This one, the process, you have to write the process completely with the description. Don't forget closing statement with the correct unit. Okay, this one is if landscape. Okay, now how if portrait? If portrait, you make it long like this, right? Okay, here. This one, if long, will be same title, your name, don't forget, question, bar model, process, and also closing statement. For the detail, this one also same like before. Okay, only this one only change the position. So you can choose, landscape here or portrait, up to you. Okay. Now this one have the three questions. So you only choose one. For example, Miss Indah want to choose the middle one here. So it means I just ignore first and third. I only do number two. Okay. Remember you choose only one question as your project. Okay. Now I will show it to you the example of the project here. This one is the title, right? Word problems here. And then, okay, actually I have the name here. This one, okay, Miss Indah. But you have to make it bigger, yeah. Okay, and then this one is the question. Okay, the question. This one is the bar model. Complete label, it means like this nih. The number and also have the question mark. Okay, and this one is the process with the description. Description, it means like Ira spend time. And then I will write the process here and then the closing statement. This one also, this one the description. Ira's a free time. And then I will write the process. This one is the closing statement. Okay. Then you also have to put, okay, this one, some pictures that related with you, okay, with your problems. This one, my problems is related with the time, car, and also with the aeroplane, okay, because this one have the airport here. So can I put it, this one is the marbles or the television or maybe like the pencil? No, right? Because that one there is no related with my question. Okay. So if there is no question, yeah, so later you can ask to me directly in WhatsApp or maybe you can contact me in Google Classroom. Okay. You can ask to me about the word problems. Okay, about the project. And that's all. Good luck.